Rufai, no leave me now. Enter with you.
Yep, let's do it. First drive on the cybertruck, and good. Yep. Good. Okay. I'll put on the AC. Good. Wow. This drives really good. Yeah. Wow.
Just stay cool.
Wow. Wow. This thing moves. Wow. Wow. Woo. Cybertruck. Okay, go straight?
Yeah.
Good. Wow.
Woo. After the bend, the road was straight.
Okay.
Then you can walk. You can light it up.
Wow. This thing really moves.
Yes. And let's go.
Wow. Wow.
Let's go.
Do it. Wow. Oh. It's ballistic. Testing out the cybertruck, ladies and gentlemen. Oh. It jumps. It jumps. Wow. Wow. The cybertruck is always saying, come get me. Like, come over here. Oh, we're doing a U-turn now.
Yeah.
Oh. Wow. This is a good one. Woo-hoo! Not bad for an afternoon drive. Wow. This is a sweet experience. It's just so firm on the road. And it attacks the road in a very great fashion. You know, I'm liking it. I'm pushing it on. I'm going for it. And I'm on the roads. Jesus Christ. This is good. This is good. This is good. This is good. So this goes like over 600 miles.
Yeah.
Wow. Wow. And the AC is super cool. Wow. Wow.
When it goes,
Hey guys. The screens are very wide. Very wide. very big view. Oh, I put that on. So that's the wiper. Oh yeah, this is good. Wow, wow, wow. That's quite a long cut too.
Mm-hmm.
Wow. Yeah. It's a good one. A good drive. Yes. Oh. Fulfillment at its finest.
Yes.
Oh yeah. Good. I'll park in front of the other side of the truck. Oh, it sensed it already. Good. And you just go here, you tap pack. You tap pack, that's it. Packed already. Wow. Okay.